morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will continue our topic decimal. Today we will learn reading, writing and converting decimals. Okay. So for reading and writing of decimals we require place value chart. Okay. So first of all we will learn place value chart of decimal. So place value chart of decimal, in that before decimal we have whole number. Okay, as I told you previously, before decimal we have whole number and after decimal we have fractional number. Okay, decimal separate a number into two parts, whole part and fractional part. Okay, तो decimal है one number को two parts में separate करता है, whole part and fractional part. So before decimal we have the simple column, like because whole number is there, before decimal we have whole number. So there is simple column which are there ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. जो आपके whole number में चलते हैं, the same columns. Okay, because there is whole number. And after decimal we have tenth. First जो place है वो हमारा ones का नहीं होता. After decimal there is tenth. Tenth means the value is 1 upon 10. Whatever number is there 5, so that value will be 5 upon 10. If there is 6, so that value will be 6 upon 10. So because first place is 10th, then 100th, then 1000th, then 10,000. In this side also move like that, but that is in THS form. Means that value in the denominator. 10th 1 upon means value is 1 upon 10. 100th means 1 upon 100. 1000th means 1 upon 1000. Okay. So by this we find place value also. Okay. By this place value chart we find place value also, and how to read and write the decimal number, that also we learn by the place value chart. How we will read now? We have to know about the place value chart. So now how we will read? Suppose you have a number 245.627. There is two method of reading this. इसको जो read करने की वो two method है. One method previously I also told you. What is that? That is simply you speak 245.627. Okay, you can write like this: 245. 245 point 627. Okay, one method is this, that you know, that I explained you previously also. And second one is what? Second हम इसको कैसे read करेंगे and how we will write. Okay, that I explain you. First number will remain same. आप चाहे इस method से read करें, चाहे आप second से read करें, that will whole number will remain same, 245. Then here we speak 0.627, but in the second method we will speak 245 and then we will speak 627. And we will speak with that last column. Last column is what? Thousandth. So we will speak 627 thousandth. 627 thousandth, because that means 627 upon 1000, because there is 3 decimal place. So in because in denominator what will come? 1000, 3 decimal place is there. If we remove the decimal, so we will take 3 times 0. So in the denominator there will come 1000. So we will speak 627,000. Whatever last column is over there, that we have to speak with that. So how can we write? We will write like this: 245. Till here it will remain same because this is whole number. So whole number will remain same. Now and at the place of point we will write here and 627 600 27. Now after 27 we should write last column. Last column is what? Thousand. So 27,000. THOUSANDTHS, thousands. Okay. So like this you have to speak. For example, suppose यहाँ पे दूसरा नंबर है 24.6. So how you will speak? One method is that 24.6. Second is 24 and 6. 6 which last यहाँ पे only single one place of decimal है आपका. So only single place है. So which place is that? That is 10th. So we'll speak 6 tenth. Okay. 24 and 6 tenth. We will write like this: 24 and 6 tenth. Okay, like this we have to write. One more example I am taking. Suppose you have if you have 295.67. So what you will speak? 295 and 67. Now last column is what? This is 10th, and this is 100th. THS form में. So 100th is this. So we'll speak 67 100th. Okay. 295 and 67 100th. Suppose we have 95.006. So what will we speak? 95 and what is this? 006 means only 6. 6 in which place is that? Last place is आपको last place देखना है कि last place आपका कौन सा है. So which is last place? That is thousand. So we will speak 6,000. Okay. So like this we have to read and write. Then how to convert in decimals? Decimals में हम कैसे convert करेंगे? So as I told you, whenever we have denominated 10, 100, 1000, so directly we can write in decimal. If you have 9/10, so in 10 we have 1 times 0. So that means one place of decimal we will take. So it's become 0.9. Okay. Suppose you have 245/100. In 100 2 times 0, so we will take 2 places of decimal. So numerator as it is 245. Now we will take 2 places of decimal. From which side? From right hand side. So 1, 2. Here we will take decimal. So it's become 2.45, and we can speak that 2 and 45 tenth. 2 whole and 45 tenth. Sorry, not tenth. This is 100th because last column is 100. So 45 100th. Okay. If you have 642/1000. So there is in 1000 3 times 0. We will take 3 decimal place. So we will write numerator as it is 642. Now 3 place of decimal. So 1, 2, 3. There is point. So we can speak 0.642. And another way we can say that 642,000 because last place is 1000. So we speak 642,000. Okay. So like this you have to write in decimal. And if you have decimal, then how you will convert into fraction? Decimal अगर आपको दे रखा है तो fraction में कैसे write करेंगे? Suppose you have 9.24. How you will convert in fraction? So first of all, whatever number is given here, that we write as it is, 924. Now at the place of decimal we will take 1, and after that how many digits we have, that many we will take zeros. So 0, 0. So it's become 924/100 because because there is 2 decimal place, so in denominator we will take 100. अगर इसको आप लोवेस्ट टर्म में रिड्यूस करना चाहें तो आप इसको मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में कर सकते हैं. जितना कैंसिल होता है वी कैन डू कैंसिल आल्सो. वी कैन सी दैट बोथ कम इन 2 टेबल. सो बाय 2 बिकॉज इट्स कम इन फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म. अभी आपके पास फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में आ गया. सो नाउ वी कैन रिड्यूस इन लोवेस्ट टर्म आल्सो, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी चेंज इफ दैट इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. So we change it into mixed fraction also. Okay, so like this you have to solve. You change it to fraction. Now I want to tell place value chart, place value, how to find place value. That also I am telling you. Suppose you have a number 623.285. Now you have to find their प्लेस वैल्यू. आपको इनकी प्लेस वैल्यू फाइंड करनी. तो आप कैसे फाइंड करेंगे प्लेस वैल्यू? व्हाट विल बी द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 5? 5 कौन से प्लेस पे? आप ये प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट यूज करेंगे इसके लिए. तो यहाँ पे प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट हम यूज करें. सो दिस इज वंस, टेंस, 100. बिफोर डेसिमल वी हैव अ होल नंबर, एंड आफ्टर डेसिमल वी हैव अ फ्रैक्शनल नंबर. सो दिस इज टेंथ, THS 100, THS hundreds, and this is thousands. Okay, so this is thousands place. So what will be the place value? That place value will be 5,000s. 5,000s, THS. Or another way, how we write? We write odd 5/1000. अगर हमें फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में राइट करना है, सो विल राइट लाइक दिस 5/1000, और स्पेलिंग में करना है तो 5000. ओके, 8 is on which place? On hundredth. So it's 800th. HUNDREDTHS, hundredths. Or another way, if we write in fraction form, so what we write? 8/100. Okay, then 2 tenths. 2 is on the tenth place, so 2 tenths. And in fraction form, what we write? 2/10. Okay, this is the place value of 2. Now 3 is on the ones place. So what will be the place value? 3 ones. And 3 ones means odd only 3, because it is on the ones place. Now 2 tenths. 2 tenths means 20. 2 tenths. That means, or this is 20. 2 tenths means 20. 6 or 100, because this is whole number. So its place value will be like the whole number. So 600. In spelling we write 600, or we can write like this 600. So this is the place value of these digits. So like this we can find place value also. So now you understand reading, writing, converting into decimal, and how to write place value. Okay, now we will start our exercise 5.3. Now exercise 5.3, question number 1. Write each of the following decimals in words. You have to write these decimals into words, means you will write them in the spellings. So A part is there, 1.8. So how you write 1 and 8 tenth, because this is on the 10th place. So we'll speak 8 tenth. So write here 1 and 8 tenths. T and THS, tenths. Now it's a B part, 17.4. So how will we write 17 and 4? This is also on the 10th place. So 4 tenths. So 17 and 4 tenths. Okay. Next is C part, 7 and 56, which that we will speak last column with them. जो last का जो आपका column है, that we will speak with the number. So there is 56 hundredth. Last place is hundredth. So we'll speak 56 hundredth. So 7 and 56. Now, which place is that? That is hundredth. So we write here hundredth. THS. And H will be small. That will not capital. Okay. Only first letter capital. After that, all will be small. Okay. So 7 and 56 hundredth. Next is D part. 69.89. So how we will speak? 69 and 89. Again, this is hundredth place. Last one is hundredth. So 89 hundredth. So right here 69 and 89 hundredth. HUNDREDTHS. This is hundredth. Okay. So 89 hundredth. Now next is, yes. So now 185.7. So how we will write 185 and 7 tenth, because this is on the 10th place. So right here 185. Okay, this is one, and the whole number is 185. Then 7 tenth. So right here and 7 tenth. T and THS. This is tenths. Okay. Now next is I part. After E, F, G, H you will do yourself. Okay. That are also same like these one. So F, G, H you will do yourself. Now I part you will see 651.001. So how we will write it? 651 and there is only one. One is on which place? This is on the thousandth. Okay? 10th, 100th, 1000th. So 1000th. So we write here 651, 651 and now there is only one, and one is on which place? On the thousandth. So we write here thousand. THOUSAND thousands. Okay. So like this you will write. F, G, H you will do yourself. Okay. Now question number 2. Now question number 2. Convert the following fractions into decimals. There is given fractions and you should write in the decimal form. Okay. Now A part is there 6 upon 10. So as I told you that whenever we have 10 in denominator, so we will take one decimal place. So after one digit we will take a decimal. Okay. So 6 numerator as it is. Now one digit is there only. So we will take here decimal. And before that there is nothing. So we can put here 0. So it's become 0.6. Okay. Now it's the B part. 32 upon 100. So first of all numerator as it is 32. Now there is 2 times 0. In 100 we have 2 times 0. So we will take 2 decimal place. So 1, 2. So there we will take decimal. So it's become 0.32. That's your answer. Now it's the C part. 502 upon 1000. Again numerator as it is we will write 502. Now in 1000 we have 3 times 0. So we'll take 3 decimal place. So 1, 2, 3. So here we will put a decimal and we can take here 0. So it's become 0.502. Okay. Okay, here we can say 500 to 1000. Okay, now next is D part. 7 whole 5 upon 100. There is mixed fraction. So first of all we change it into improper fraction. Whenever we have mixed, so firstly we change it improper. So 7 multiplied by 100. 100 sevens are 700 plus 5, 705 upon 100. Now same way, as it is numerator we will write 705. Now we will see how many zeros in denominator. There we have 100. So 2 times 0 is there. So we will take 2 decimal place. So we count from right hand side 1, 2. So here we will put decimal. So it becomes 7.05. Okay. Next one, E part. Again there is mixed fraction. 1 whole 52 upon 1000. So again we change it into improper. So 1000 ones are 1000 plus 50 into 1052 upon 1000. So now we write numerator as it is 1052, 1052. Now in 1000 we have 3 times 0. That means we will take 3 decimal place. How many decimal place? 3. So count from here 1, 2, 3. So it's become 1.052. That's your answer. So like this you will complete your question number 2. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is there. Express each of the following as fractions in the lowest form. Firstly you will write them into fraction form and then you will reduce in lowest term. So lowest form में कैसे करते हैं हम? We cancel numerator and denominator whatever that is cancel. जितना वो cancel होता है जहाँ तक we have to cancel. Okay, cancel means we divide numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay. So now A part 14.64. So firstly we change it into fraction form. So the number as it is we write in numerator, remove the decimal. Fraction form में जब हम write करते हैं तो we remove the decimal. We write 1464. Now at the place of decimal we take in denominator 1. Now there is 2 decimal place, so we will take 2 times 0 means 100. Because there is 2 decimal place. So in the denominator we will write 100. If we have 3 decimal place, so in denominator we write 1000. If 1 decimal place, so in denominator we write 10. Okay. Now there is 2 decimal place, so we write here 100. Okay. जैसे यहाँ पे 2 decimal 100 था तो हमने 2 decimal place ली. ऐसे अब decimal को remove करना है. So 2 decimal place है, so we will take in denominator 100. Now we will check numerator and denominator are coming in same table or not. If that are coming, so we will divide by the number. Okay, then it will come in lowest form. So we'll see that 1464 and 100 both are coming in 2 table. Okay, so we will divide by 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 zeros are 0. Numerator also coming in 2 table. 2 7s are 14. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again this is even number. Again it is coming in 2 table and denominator also coming in 2 table. So again we divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Numerator also we divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 1. With 1 we have 3 13. So 13 into table where it's come. 2 6 are 12. And again it's become 12. So 2 6 are 12. Again this is coming in 2 table, but denominator is not coming in 2 table. It will come only in the 5 table. And numerator will not come in 5 table because in one's column we have 6. And if we have one's column 0 and 5, then only it's come in the 5 table. So that means these are not come in the same table. That means this is the lowest term. ये हमारी lowest form आ गई हमारे पास. So it's become 366 upon 25. This is the lowest form. If you want to change it into mixed fraction, that's your choice. You can change. otherwise no need. अगर आपको करनी है आपकी चॉइस है, because this is improper fraction. So if you want to change it into the mixed fraction, so you can change, and if you want to leave here only, so you can leave. Okay. Now it's a B part. There is 0.006. So first of all we write it into the fraction form. So in fraction form it's become, in numerator we will write 0006 upon, now there is 3 decimal place, so removing 3 decimal place we will write upon 1000. Now you can see that 0006 means क्या होगा, only 6. So no need to write, whenever we have these zeros, so no need to write this, we can write directly 6 upon 1000. हमें ये जीरो लगाने की जरूरत नहीं थी यहाँ. Okay, so directly we can write 6 upon 1000. Now we will see in which table they are coming. Same table कौन सी, जिसमें both are coming. So we can see that 6 and 1000 both are coming in 2 table. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0. Now we will see 3 is the prime number. That means it will come only in the 3 table. So we will check 500 come in 3 table or not. If it is coming, so we cancel by 3. Otherwise, this is our lowest form. So we will see 500 will not come in 3 table because sum of the digit is 5 and it will not come in 3 table. That means this is our lowest form. So lowest form is 3 upon 500. This is proper fraction. So that means this is our final answer. If it is improper, so we can change that into the mixed. जैसे यहाँ पे improper था तो हम mixed में change करना चाहे तो कर सकते हैं. But this is in proper form. So this is the last one. Okay. So like this you will do it C, D and E part also. That's you will do in the homework. Now question number 4. Now question number 4. Give the place values of the colored digit in each of the following. Here is colored digits given to you. You have to find their place values. Okay. Now A part is there 75.96. So which is colored here? 9. So you have to find place value of 9. So how you will find? As I told you that this 2 method you can write in spelling also and you can write in the figure also. So 9 is on which place? On the 10th, because after decimal first place is 10th. So you can write like this 9 10th. THS 10th. Or second one is what? 9 upon 10. As you wish you can write like this. Okay. Now next is 38.1. Okay. Which is colored here? 8. So 8 is on which place? On the ones place. So you can write that 8 ones. Or another way we can write only 8. That's okay. Now it's a C part. There is 329.008. 8 is colored here. So how we will write? 8 is on which place? Firstly we count the place. This is 10th, this is 100th and this is 1000th. Okay. So we write here 8000th. THOUSANDTHS. Thousandths. Okay. Or another way what we can write? 8 upon 1000. Okay. In figure we can write like this and in spelling we can write like this. अगर आप only one write करते that is also correct. Otherwise you can write both way. Okay. This is in the words and this is in the figure. Now next D part 82.792. Okay. Which is colored here? 9. So you have to find place value of 9. So firstly you will see what is the place of 9. So you will see this is 10th and this is 100th. 9 is on the 100th place. So we'll write it 900th. HUNDREDTHS 100th. And second way is 9 upon 100. This is your answer. So like this you can find the place values. So rest part you will do yourself. A, B, C, D I have done here, and E, F you will do yourself. Okay. Thank you.